Okay, I'm just going to try and demonstrate the park pilot on this Hyundai Tucson. So we're in drive. The park pilot button is there. If I click that, now that's showing me parallel parking to the left. But what I actually want is reverse parking. So I've just clicked it 3 times. Reverse parking. We'll see if it works. I can't promise anything because I can't find a crowded car park. So there you go, reverse parking. So it's telling me to select reverse, and there's somebody just pulled up behind me. So check surroundings and proceed slowly. There we go. Hang on. So to drive, to reverse, we've also got this reversing camera here. So there you go. The trouble is I can't go back too far because as you can see there's that kind of parking staple there. So there you go. That's how it works. It's pretty simple. And it'll do it the opposite way as well. So here we go. We'll go along here on the left. It's picked a space up. Reverse. Here we go. Shift to D, telling me all this on its own. It beeps every time. There is kind of a little bit of a flaw in as much as, so there you go. Absolutely perfect. As I say, there is a little bit of a flaw in my mind that the steering wheel, it obscures your view of the actual instructions, but it does beep. If you're hard of hearing, then I don't know, but apart from that, it's a fantastic system.